Hello, everyone. Welcome to this beginner-friendly introduction to Python programming. Whether you're a complete novice or have some coding experience, Python is a fantastic language to start your programming journey. Let's dive in. First, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world, used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Why should you learn Python? Well, it's versatile. Python is excellent for beginners because of its clear and concise syntax. It emphasizes readability, making it easy to learn and write code quickly. Plus, it has a vast and supportive community, which means plenty of resources and help are available. Let's get started. The first step is setting up Python on your computer. Visit python.org, go to the download section, and choose the version suitable for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions and you'll be up and running in no time. To write your first Python program, let's keep it simple. Open your favorite code editor, create a new file, and type the classic Hello World program. Save the file with a py extension and run it. Congratulations, you've just written and executed your first Python program. Congratulations, you've just written and executed your first Python program. Until then, it's fantastico. Bye-bye. See you.